Think you're doing push-ups, right? Chances are, you're not. Let's fix that in under a minute. Start with your hands a little wider than shoulder width. Draw a line straight down from your chest. It should hit your thumbs. Angle your hands so they feel natural, not strained. If your wrists ache, use push-up bars, grab a barbell, or go knuckles down on a soft surface. Feet? That's personal. Wider gives stability. Closer makes it harder. Find your balance. Now, lock in your body. Head to heels, one straight line. No saggy hips, no high butt. Squeeze your glutes. Brace your abs like you're about to get punched. That's your plank. Look slightly forward, not straight down. Ideally, your chin, not your nose, touches first. At the top, arms locked out, core tight. From above, your arms and body should form an arrow, never a T. Do it this way, and every push-up counts.